Welcome back, guys. It's been about 2 or 3 days since the last update video, and I'm just gonna do another quick update on the growth of the pigeons. This is quite a nice shot. As you can see, the cockbird is starting to chase the hen again because she's probably ready to lay the second pair of eggs, because the chicks are getting quite big, so that's why they're starting to chase after them like that. It's actually almost freezing right now, that's why some of the pigeons are fluffing their feathers out like that. Yeah, that's the wrong box for him. Anyways, let's get the update started. So the chicks are about, let's say, 18 days old at most, between 15 and 18 days I believe, and they're starting to leave their nests, as you can see, these two. But this one's gonna be a pretty nice color. This one's gonna have a semi-white head and half his feathers are gonna be white. Yeah, probably should feed these ones because they've only been fed once today, so let's do that right now. Just gonna give them a little bit. Loft is also really wet because of the weather and because they start to drink a lot of water to feed the chicks, so that's why everything's a bit wet as well. And of course, in the last video I showed these ones were attacked by one of these blue bars, the one that's sitting on top of them right there. And so we've been closing the doors like this and switching them so he doesn't get inside of this anymore. But since I'm in the loft right now, I just let him out so I can watch him, so it doesn't happen again. So anyways, most of the chicks are starting to leave the nest balls. Of course, this one isn't yet because she's still on eggs. Wait, I believe she's not even on eggs anymore because I was here yesterday and I lifted her up. Yeah, those look about a day or two old. Yep. But for the most part, these are, of course, this one is staying a bit behind, but the one behind him is quite big. And these two, the right one has a white head, and he also has half a white wing on the other side, I believe. Yeah, that's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool color for a red bar. You don't see a lot of red bars with white wings like that. And of course, this is a really dark check. He's really fluffy. Still no real feathers underneath the wing, but that'll come soon. And these two. This bird seems to always have one red bar and one blue bar. He had the same last year as well. He always seems to have one blue and one red bar. And these two, pretty cool colored, but they're probably not gonna perform that well. At least I don't think. Anyways, move back. Let's get some shots of these birds. You can see the cockbirds right there, always wanting to go down there and go inside the nest box that's not his and fight with the chicks. Might have to teach him that stuff doesn't fly around here. That's the bad one right there. Anyways, let's go down and check what's going on down there. Hello. These two are coming along nicely as well, being fed by the 3 hens. Alright, so we're in the breeding loft now. Might have to feed these ones a little bit more as well. And of course the oldest one. Not gonna be quite as dark as his mother, but still a pretty nice color. The mother has already laid the second pair of eggs, as you can see. That's why there's a second bowl in there, because the chicks should be in here. But yeah, it's a bit cold to be sitting alone. And of course these two. Looking quite solid birds actually. Quite big, because they were some of the youngest in this loft, I believe. But you know, those are the two, mother and father, so that could be why they're quite big. Let me turn the light on, can't really see much. Can you move please? These are getting really big actually. And this is for sure gonna be an all white one with a little bit of red tints, but pretty much all white. Let's put him back. To be fair, overall it's been a really good breeding season. Not a lot of pigeons have died or haven't grown well. They've all grown really well actually, and most of them have two chicks, except that one, and the one in the top loft I believe hasn't either. These two are quite nice, both gonna be blue bars with white tips I believe. Yeah, this one has a little bit less white, but both gonna be with white tips. Yeah, he's starting to chase her again as well. I don't know if you guys understand, but look at the size difference between the grizzle right there and his hen. He's literally about twice the size of her. That's why I want to see if any of the other pigeon channels have a bird that weighs even close to the same as him, because I haven't seen any bird that is even close to his size. So yeah, in the back there, that's the only chick they have, I believe. Yeah, that's also one with only one chick. And these two, of course, the oldest one. And then our best breeding couple. He's always in that vitamin stuff packing in there. In a few weeks they'll be ready to be separated and put on the racing loft, but that's gonna be in another video. Probably gonna be 1 or 2 update videos before that's going to happen. Some of you guys said that this bird actually looks a lot like Maniloft's Moo, I believe he was called, she was called, I don't know. But she kinda does look like Moo. But I believe Moo didn't have the little freckles on the wings. I believe she was a regular blue bar with white head and white wings. Anyways, yeah, look, that's why the cockbirds chase the hens. They always want them to sit on the nest so they can lay again. That's why he's not chasing her now or pecking at her. He just wants her to sit in the nest like that and lay again, of course. This is gonna be quite a cool thumbnail. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in probably 2 or 3 days. See ya.